Hey, what's up out there? Polyvinyl, this is Tabitha. I'm the one who's been chatting with you there in Twitch. I am a real girl right here. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. We are here live at AWS reInvent 2023, Day 3. We have a great guest here that came from Japan. Let's find out who he is. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Okay, got it. Okay. So yeah, this is Eddie, Eddie No from Classmethod. And yeah, we're from Japan. And then we also actually brought like our customer and our teams, right? It's 100 people actually came over. You
actually saw their team with these awesome jackets. You got to turn around. With these awesome jackets, this is how I noticed them. I mean, they are a noticeable team. And how many were here?
100.
100. Did you all fly on the same flight together?
No, separately. Yeah, we just came over separately because we don't want to crash. Like.
Don't want to scare everybody.
No, sorry.
So the question is, what have you got to see here at reInvent?
Yeah, because every year we just came over, and then so this year also maybe third, fourth time maybe already, I think. Yeah, so anyway, so I joined it last year, so I don't really not know much about it. But anyway, so we came over here, and then we just look around, and also our like a CEO or upper manager, so they're all having like a meeting with AWS people, and also like our customer and partners in here. So basically, meeting up with a partner, and then having meeting with the AWS. Also, we have a team, all the engineers they came over as well. So we just actually collecting like a new information updates, of the AWS, and then we also try to like deliver that like news and the updates to our customer or like our potential customer in the world actually.
I think that's awesome. So you talk about looking at the updates and things. Do you find coming to reInvent does allow you to talk one-on-one to those service teams and get those updates real time?
Yeah, I mean we're learning a lot of news from the through the keynotes and also seminars as well. But actually, we're meeting with in person with all the teams out there in the booth and the expo, right?
Right.
So yeah, we're meeting with the people and then we're talking, and then we're also getting like more detailed information from there, out of it. Yeah, that would be awesome.
So, what has been your favorite restaurant so far?
Oh. Too many of them. Actually, Italian maybe.
I know. There's a lot of Italian restaurants here, and I do the same thing. My husband doesn't like a lot of tomato sauce, so I'm like, Italian it is here. So what do you look forward to? And then, I mean, you're on day 3. We have today and tomorrow. What do you look forward to finding and learning tomorrow and today?
Yeah, I mean, like I said earlier, because we're collecting data, right? Yeah. And also we're running we operating blogs, the technical blogs. And then we have a lot of people actually watching, through the blogs. So we're collecting data. All our engineers actually, they're contributing, their own time and collecting data. And then they actually, distributing through their own blogs posts. So, and then actually our, the customer, they looking at it and they're reading it and they're getting like new updates out of the blogs, Nice. So that's basically what we are doing. And also after that, actually, they getting that information, new updates. Maybe, they're gonna call us and then we can, give them.
I think they're gonna call you.
Right, exactly.
They're
right.
gonna call you for those new updates.
Right.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about your company. What does your company do?
Right. So we are actually, in Japan. So we kind of well known in Japan market. So we are kind of number one like AWS, reseller. Okay. And also we deliver, all the technical support, and also like whatever the solution kind of like the integration stuffs as well. And then one more thing I just want to to tell you about it. So last year we recognized by the the SI Partner of the Year,
nice.
Global, and then this year we also selected awarded as a SI Partner of the Year as a APJ, the Asia Pacific.
Congratulations on that. I mean, that's actually quite a big thing. I mean, you have a lot of people that you go up against, and that just means the top-notch service that your customers get from your company. Thank you for that. How do people find out about you?
Me, myself.
You.
Oh, okay.
How do people get a hold of your company if they're in Japan?
No, we basically quite like in a global company, like international.
Ah.
Basically, I'm Korean now. I'm not really Japanese, but I can speak Japanese anyway. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay. So
that's awesome.
Right. So anyway, so our company has like a multiple the global subsidiary. Yeah. So basically, like headquarters is in Japan, and also we have a Korea office. the Berlin office,
Right.
and also like the Thailand office, Vietnam office, India office as well. So we're quite like a global company.
Nice. So
Right.
that's helpful. So if anybody is in the UK or, as everybody says, APJ, EMEA,
Yeah,
you're there to help them out.
Right.
I think that's awesome. One last thing. Any shout out to anybody or your team?
You know what? I'm on the TV the first time, and I'm quite nervous, but it's okay. Yeah.
Great.
Right.
You're doing great.
Anyway, I'm gonna having fun while I'm staying here,
Yes.
and also try to gather whatever information we are necessary,
Yes.
we can deliver to our customer.
I think that's great because that is the thing that we look at for reInvent.
Right.
It's a real time educational convention that we're giving you the latest, the greatest, and allowing you as a customer and as a reseller / partner, to have the latest and greatest for your customers. And I think that's a great way to get the updates and learn all those new things. I think that's great.
That's basically what we're looking for.
I love it. And so the last question I have is where will we see you at next year?
Maybe in Japan, like Summit, AWS Summit in Japan, Tokyo, maybe, right?
See?
You guys come
See?
over.
We will be at the AWS Tokyo Summit in Japan in 2024. We'll get to actually have a session with you.
Excellent.
We'll find out and talk to your CEO.
I'll talk to my CEO.
That's right. We're talking VPs here. All right, everyone. Thanks so much. We're going to go right back to you at the desk.